Victoria Bay in Hong Kong, a famous place offering breathtaking scenery. Victoria Bay, located in the heart of Hong Kong, is a picturesque harbor surrounded by stunning skyscrapers and landmarks. As one of the world's busiest ports, Victoria Bay plays a vital role in Hong Kong's economy and trade. Its strategic location made it the center of international shipping and helped to strengthen the city's status as a global financial center. In addition to its natural beauty and vibrant atmosphere, Victoria Bay has also become a popular destination for photographers and filmmakers. Many travel videos and documentaries convey the beauty of this iconic site, showing its charm to viewers around the world. For those interested in learning about Hong Kong's vibrant culture and history, Victoria Bay is the perfect starting point. Its proximity to popular attractions such as the Central District and Tsui allows visitors easy access to well-known shopping areas, museums and cultural attractions.